Hi and welcome to Business with Joe. I'm Joe and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make extra money, and this is just one video in a series of 9, so in total you'll see 80 plus ideas for you to make some more money. All you need is either a computer or a phone with internet access, or the ability to walk around your local town or city, because all the things I'm going to tell you about you'll be able to do with the skills you already have or are new jobs that are easy to start. In this video I'm going to show you 9 jobs where you can start making some serious money almost immediately. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the alert bell. Each week I'll be posting new videos, so don't miss out on the opportunities I'll be posting in the coming weeks. If you work a normal 9 to 5 job, then all you can earn is your wage. Maybe if you're lucky you can get the occasional bonus, but most of the time all you'll get is set pay. This is known as an active income, as you can't really change to a great degree your monthly wage. You only get paid for the work you complete. In this video I'm going to show you several ways you can increase this active income, but I'm also going to tell you lots of ways to make a passive income. With a passive income you could be asleep or out with your friends and you'll still be earning money. How cool is that? With most passive income models, all you have to do is put in the work once and the money in theory should keep coming in, with no other work needed, other than doing some marketing for what you or other people have made or a product or service you are promoting. Before we start, let me tell you that the websites or companies that I'm suggesting in this video are all from personal experience of actually using them, or someone that I know has recommended them to me. I will tell you if it's an affiliate link to any of the sites, but again, I'm only recommending links because of personal use or recommendations. You'll be able to find links to any of the sites I mentioned below in the description. So let's get going. 10. Guest post as a freelance writer for niche websites. If you have a way with words and have a particular area or niche you know a lot about, then there's plenty of sites that will pay for articles and content for you to write. If you enjoy reading about a subject on a website, books or magazines, then you could see if they will take articles. It might be worth sending them a sample of your work so they can see if it would fit in with the style of their publication first. So some pointers for this area. Think of the sites or magazines you like to read. What could you contribute to them that would be interesting? Research your niche and then look for ways to pitch articles. Many sites will simply have a submission or contact link in the footer of their website. Here are just a few sites you might want to look at. Carrying on with the writing theme. 11. Write on the Medium Partners Program site. Medium is an online community where anyone can post articles or essays that can potentially be seen by an audience of millions of monthly readers. It's not only a great place to build up your audience for your own blog or find customers for your consulting business, but with the Medium's new partner program, you can now make money online whenever somebody reads your articles. Registration is free, and you can choose whether your articles are freely available or only readable by those people paying $5 a month for the premium Medium membership. You'll make money based on the amount of people who read and engage with your post each month. Take a look at Medium. 12. Transcribe audio and interviews. A lot of doctors, lawyers, journalists, academics and researchers audio record interviews every single day and then need someone to transcribe what they've said. So if you're comfortable with listening to the same audio over and over again whilst writing it down, you can make good money online doing transcriptions. Most services pay anywhere between $15 and $25 per hour off transcribed audio. However, if you specialise in an area or you have training and experience in legal or medical transcription, you can earn a lot more. If you're a beginner transcriptionist, you can find jobs on these sites. 13. Proofread articles. Even in this digital age, there will always be the written word, and therefore there will always be the need for someone to check over these words. Freelance editing and proofreading pays a decent hourly wage. You must have a high level of English, a good level of grammar, and also know the correct terminology for particular areas you are proofreading. You might also need a good mind for research, as you may need to check over some of the things that are said and get the correct spelling for the technical or medical words. You can find lots of jobs posted from companies and individuals in need of writing, proofreading and editing services on Katana, which makes this a high demand opportunity to make money online. 14. Private labelling and selling products on Amazon. It's hard to believe, but more than 500 million products are sold on Amazon every single month. This makes Amazon an incredible place to make money online. However, making a product or even finding a product to sell can be very time consuming. One option is to find on Amazon products that are already selling, then go and buy these same products at a discount and then sell them back on Amazon. You will see this a lot on Amazon. Have you ever looked for something and a long list of the same item comes up, but from all different places and at different prices? This is exactly what people have done. You will probably have to buy in bulk, but this will give you an even bigger reduction in the price you pay, and therefore an even better profit margin when you sell it on. One place where you can find almost anything is Alibaba.com, and the more you buy, the cheaper it will get. It's a fantastic site, and you could be tempted to buy, but do your research first before buying anything. Make sure there is a market for it. However, don't waste loads of time, as these things don't stay hot forever. 15. Online travel consultant. If you love to travel and find yourself constantly searching for cheap airfares or browsing sites for your next holiday, why not carve out a niche for yourself as an independent travel agent? Travel Counsellors is one such company and is a great starting point to become an independent travel agent. I personally know a few travel counsellors, and they all have a passion for travel and offer great service. Start with word of mouth recommendations from friends who know they can count on you for the cheapest flights and great holidays, and then move on and create Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn groups and invite people to join who want to stay on top of the latest deals. Also, why not share your own travel stories and give away hints and tips you've picked up from your travels? People will love to hear your experiences, and giving away free advice is a great way of building up customer confidence in your ability. It will take time to build up a loyal following, but people like that personal touch you could add to their holiday, and eventually you will turn this passion into a full-time consultancy. 16. Doing odd jobs. If you don't mind doing other people's chores, then the website TaskRabbit is a great option for making extra money. Earn some extra money by maybe walking the neighbour's dog or mowing the lawn, putting together flat pack furniture, or help out somebody to move into a new house. It might not seem the most lucrative option, but the top taskers reportedly earn as much as $7,000 a month, making this a full-time way to make money. TaskRabbit is mainly in the US, but have a search for something like this in your country. Or you could go old school, put an advert in the local shops or the newspaper advertising your services. 17. Clean up search engines. Ever see a Google result and say, how the heck did that get there? While Google and other search engines use powerful algorithms to determine what pages to show for each search result, there are real people making money online by making sure the machines are doing their job correctly. A search engine evaluator rates the search results so that the best results are offered to the user. With sites like Appen and Lionbridge, you can make money by doing this service on predefined search queries and providing feedback and results based on their relevance. 18. Enter online contests for company name and slogans. Are you always coming up with witty one-liners? Do you think you could have fitted into the Mad Men style of advertising? If you got a brain for branding, or you could come up with imaginative copy, there are lots of opportunities then to make money online through company naming and slogan writing contests. If you think you have a knack for creating names, check out the Squad Help platform, where you can earn a little extra money online by naming brands, services, products, company slogans, or even help out with a logo design if you have the skills. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.